Ron here. I just wanted to talk briefly about one of the little known features of the Mavic Pro, that it can shoot in portrait mode versus the normal landscape mode. I'm not making good use of it here in this test video, but if you were to circle around some kind of a tower or silo or something like that, it would be, to full effect. It's pretty easy to get into. You just slide to the left and reveal these settings here. You click the first one to click it from landscape over the portrait, and as you can see, it's in the portrait mode now. And you can of course tilt the camera up and down, and when you want to return back to landscape mode, you would just swipe to the left again, go in and hit the first icon and shift it back from portrait back into landscape again. Just remember to swipe all the way to the extreme right side of the screen and you pull it out about halfway, and the secret menu will appear. Okay, I hope you got something out of this video. If this portrait feature comes in handy on your videos, let me know. And full disclosure, I got this tip from Billy Kyle. I will link to his page below. All right, out.